Greetings, family and friends. You know,
this is what happened when you ramp with Gulfman Silk Fox. One Chagriee badness, you're brawling. What happened when
Boss get disciplined by some of his crony friends? Yo, having a name by the name of Silk Boss. Suspect. The Jamaican Dancehall Artist is saying that this is not about Joshi. Others are suspecting it's about his girl, Bray. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nation. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier. April Stevie, thank you for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Welcome to the Rastaman channel. Build up the Rastaman panel. Ladies and gentlemen, Silk Boss is boasting a busted lips today. Yeah, as you see in the screen. His cronies, his friends, seems to have disciplined him. Yeah, it's going around the social media. The video has, you know, garner complaints on both sides. Some people saying that him forget because him now support the community. And some people are saying a joke thing this. Now, is this what Jamaica still are? Because we don't know a long time.
This is what happened when you ramp with Gulfman Silk Fox. One Chagriee badness, you're brawling. What happened when Man Silk Fox?
It appears that the man them running a Bray mother area like a des of them did there. And I sure Silk say him a call up the Gulf man them name and I want Chagriee around a thing. So the man them seem to have sent for him for, you know, support a local get together or a fund drive in the community, and it is being said that Silk Boss tell himself he go do whatever to him mother. You are gonna take. So the man them say, yo, I want Chagriee. Gulf man them running for them and mask up.
This is what happened when you ramp with Gulfman Silk Fox. One Chagriee badness, you're brawling. What happened?
The man I beg, the man I said, do. Now, may I look through all of the social media them pertaining to this because I and I man don't like to touch this all door. Last week I did touch on the sociopathicness and the psychopathicness of the dancehall people them, the artists them, and Jamaicans in a whole. So the man them seems to really see the youth a shine and I try extort him and the youth is not with it. But because him woman come from the Gulfman area there, them a say you can't call up my name in a tune.
This is what happened when you ramp with Gulfman Silk Fox. One Chagriee badness, you're brawling. What happened when Man Silk Fox? One Chagriee badness, you're brawling.
So them basically box off him head a grung and have him a beg do. And basically them do this for rip off, stripe off for him, for show him say, him a bad man, and show everybody say, him a road boy. Now, in the articles explaining that, you know, Silk Boss has come out and said that this is not relating to the dancehall feud when have with Joshi. But at the end of the day, why the man them mask up like that and video him, I don't know. It's like the man them has sent a message. You are guarantee it is being said that he's being led by his girl, and you know how Yardman stay. Yardman want your woman and he look for you as a weak person. If you make your girl around your head, you are gone dead. So, I see what's going on in the dancehall music from day one. If you are from a different area, you have a clip behind you, you have to run the money. And it appears that Silk Boss now support the system. And everyone, like I show you, in a Jamaica, overstand the role. And if you go like say you want to go around the roll, the man them are going to discipline you just like how them.
This is what happened when you ramp with Gulfman Silk Fox. One Chagriee badness, you're brawling. What happened when Man Silk Fox? One Chagriee badness, you're brawling. One Chagriee badness, you're brawling.
With Gulfman, cause Gulfman and a clown. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to leave a message and let me know where I deal with. Let me know if this is a systematic badness the same extortion, but we see in our Karachi movie them from back in the 1970 something, 1980. We still a deal with it in a 2022. Me know if a bad mind, like a youth self boss, because him a shot to the world, him have over 240,000 subscribers on YouTube, 9 million per one shown, you are guarantee. So I don't know if a fight, this youth here get a fight from inside interior of the bad mindness of Jamaica, or if I really in fake friends them I try wipe him out. So leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. Just want.
This is what happened when you ramp with Gulfman Silk Fox. One Chagriee badness you're brawling. What happened when Man Silk Fox? One Chagriee badness you're brawling.
So leave your comment for me. You see? More life or more job.
My name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV. Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in the year every time.
This the artist wicked man. Sure, no.